So let's get straight into the video. Y'all know I'm a West Kissed hair advocate. I really need to be sponsored, but we're not going to talk about that. You know I love me a good 613. Let's get straight into it. So you're going to need to boil some water, obviously. Put the water in the sink. And, yeah, ignore that little speck. I don't know what the heck that was. Mind your business. So next, you're going to use the Wella toners, T14 and T18, 2 boxes each, so 4 boxes total. And 40 volume developers, what I use, because that's just what I had laying around. And you're going to pour all the bottles of toner in there. And you're going to see later, you want to use the toner bottles to measure out how much developer you put in there, because you want it to be equal parts. Then you can take any little tool. I just literally took a plastic fork, and you want to make sure you stir the developer and the toner so it's evenly distributed. And then you're just going to lay your wig in there, you know. And I want to say I kept it in there for like 30 minutes, but just make sure after every 10 minutes you're kind of coming in and checking how the color is turning. Because depending on how concentrated you want the color to be, you can take it out early or you can keep it in the full 30 minutes. It's kind of up to you. So whenever you're toning a wig or even coloring a wig, depositing color in a wig, make sure you rinse it out really well to get all of the product out of the hair. And also, I ain't gonna lie, this toner kind of has a strong smell, and there's a way you can get rid of that if y'all want to see in another video how to get rid of a harsh smell from a wig. You know, let your girl know, and I can put y'all on game. But my policy is always take good care of your wigs just like you should take good care of your natural hair. So I always wash and condition my wigs. It doesn't necessarily matter which shampoo and conditioner you use. Just don't use anything that's super harsh or has like chemicals and stuff in it, because I wouldn't use it in my real hair. So I'm not going to use it on Miss Wiggy. So before you blow dry your wig, you want to give it some type of protection. This time I'm using the All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 spray. And you just want to spray it evenly around the wig and then take a paddle brush and brush it through to make sure it gets from the roots to the tip of Miss Wiggy. Okay. And then I ain't gonna lie, I'm a lazy blow dryer, so I'm gonna start out blow drying it with the powder brush, but then we're gonna make a little makeshift like dryer hood with a towel. Now I don't recommend putting your blow dryer on the floor like this for too long without checking it, but check it like every 10 minutes or so till that thing dry. You feel me? And it works. And then look at her, honey. It's giving storm, okay? It's giving icy girl. You know, I put her to good use a good couple times. You know, see examples A, B, C, D, and E. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. And you remember what I always tell y'all. Keep it saucy.